most valuable commodity I know is information. Wouldn't you agree?
Alright, out here with the old hand tractor contraption. Got it all rigged up for a test ride. I built a little cart thing with a chair. It's freaking goofy, you're gonna laugh, but I'm gonna test her out. This thing's got power for days. It almost ran me over earlier. So let's just show you what I'm working with here. So I rigged the power switch right here, the little dial control. That's reverse. As you can see, I got my forward switch here. Got power, man. Just yanked it right out of my hand. Alright. Well, let's go ahead and bring it outside and get a laugh or two out of it. Alright, so we're out here. Here's this goofy chair thing that I threw together. It's got like bike tires on it. It's just some kind of stroller, some fancy dancy. And there's the hand tractor. So let's give her a shot. See what happens. See if I fall in my face. So if you haven't seen my camera mount, it clips anywhere. It's this thing. So let's just clip her on, take her for a spin if you can. They don't drop my phone and break it. Alright, so let's see what happens. That gives us a nice little light. Just the field of view there. Just sit in my chair. Alright, let's give her a shot and see what she does. Whoa. Pulling me right out of the chair. Okay, that didn't work too well. A little bit of a hill. It's probably not smart. Pulling me. What's happening? Die. Can I make the bump? I doubt it. Let's see this motherfucker. Let's see if we can. We'll go down the street and alright. Alright, so let's see. Yeah. Whoa. There's a car. What's up? You know me. It's something I made. Oh, it's just pulling me away. No, there goes my chair. Hey, watch this, Billy. It's got reverse too. It's a hand tractor from the old days, from the 1930s. You know me. Something stupid going on. Alright, let's try that again. We gonna move out of the way. Oh, that's reverse. Let's try forward again. Whoa, it's gonna pull me right out. Man, damn it. Well, I guess it ain't gonna work unless we get the utility trailer hooked to it. do that. Utility trailer. Try it. Till next time, I guess. She didn't want to cooperate. I'll have to rig something up else with wheels. Little update on the Honda. Went ahead and tried to push start it. This thing seized. I had added some homemade penetrating lube to the cylinders. Hopefully it's the rings. The level did go down a little bit. So I'm just I filled it right back up to the top, put those plugs back in, we'll let it set for another 3 days and give her another try. About all I can do. And maybe one more update. Let's come back here. Pallet gardens are looking good. Tomatoes are starting. Hot peppers are looking good. Squash is spreading out here. We got one starting. A couple of them. Nice. Over here. Tomato and growing, getting bigger. And the main event. Got these Cannabis Indica Hemps. Sativa. Earwig's got a happy home. Those are big. Talk about those in the garage. The neighbors are partying outside. So, I was just out there showing you my Cannabis Indica, Cannabis Sativa hemp plants that I'm breeding. Those are a 23% CBD, only 0.072% THC, so almost none. Literally next to nothing on THC wise. And so if anybody digs them out, I mean, it's going to look like amazing pot and it smells amazing, but you won't get high off of it. It won't be no big loss to me. But I'm growing those for attempted breeding. For my buddy has a bunch of property. He's getting a license to grow hemp, so I'm gonna grow about 3 acres of that stuff, and we're gonna figure out what we like best, what does the best, the outdoor conditions, and then we've already got a seed crop going, and so in another location, so we'll just see. Seed crop's kind of a multitude of different strains, but all good. All been bred out over a period of about a year. But yeah, back to the old hand tractor. So with this thing, what I'm gonna do, I was thinking about it. So when I go camping, I always pull my little boat on my utility trailer. So I'll probably put a attachment for a ball right here, and I'll pull that little utility trailer around. I'll put a little seat on the front of the axle, and then I'll be able to tow the kids around with this thing. It'll be goofy as hell, but fun. You saw it. It's got torque for days. It's quiet. We'll be able to go around and kind of play around with it, and so that should be fun. And then also we'll be able to move the goal is to be able to move the campers around. I still haven't worked out how I'm going to do that, but have my brother Chad help me with that engineering aspect. I've got a giant caster that can hold like 2,000 pounds, so we'll probably incorporate that in some way. If you have any ideas, if you want to see more of this or contribute, why don't you leave a comment or subscribe, like the video. Always helps out my channel, and I appreciate you watching. All right, have a great night.